So we're gathering a lot of friends and cars here at Zadart because we're going to caravan over to a restaurant, and that's going to be a lot of fun. But Mark has just showed up in the same Superleggera that we were in on Friday night. I'm going to give you guys a better look while it's all opened up in the sun. It was way too dark and you couldn't really get a vibe for exactly what Mark has done with this car. So now that we're in the sun, let's do a walk around. Being a first generation Superleggera, the entire engine bay is carbon. So you can see this whole piece, carbon fiber, and then the back wall back there, carbon fiber. And Mark has made the engine compartments kind of green, so that's cool. Matches the roll bar. I didn't know this car had a roll bar. You know you're kind of a badass when you have a roll cage in your Lamborghini and a racing seat. This is one of my favorite cars of all time, guys. The first generation Superleggera. I think this car came out around 2006 or 2007. And back then, oh man, what a car this is. Fun fact on the Superleggera, you could see all the dials there are yellow and red. And that's only available on the Superleggera and the Performante models of the Gallardo. So on the standard Gallardo, that's all white. It's not yellow. And only on the performance models do you get the yellow and red cluster there. So on our convoy over to the restaurant, I'm going to be going with Mark in the Superleggera, and we're going to get some amazing, amazing sound clips. I cannot express to you guys exactly how loud and how beautiful the sound quality of this car is. The best sounding V10 engine ever. I mean, the Lexus LFA, that's kind of my halo car, but the sound quality is just, it's not like this. Jesus, people. We got our whole squad. Okay, this is sketchy. Go watch that bottle. I saw that. It has like crackles in between shifts. That's crazy. We've made it to the food spot. I don't know exactly how we did that because we had 10 cars all driving together for like 20 minutes and we all made it here like relatively unscathed, so that was nice. That was a pretty amazing hot pot dinner. I gotta give it to Seattle, man. They really know their food here. It's gonna be a good drive back to Zadart. I'm gonna put the camera away because I need to focus on driving, but I have a GoPro on Mark's car. Mark's Gallardo is so loud, it literally, I don't even think my camera can pick up noise like that. So I apologize if the footage is shit, but just take my word for it, it is unreal. I sincerely hope you guys enjoyed that even half as much as I did. Just a beautiful evening drive, 5 supercars, we're all friends, we all know our driving styles, we're just going for it and having a great time. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed all of today's coverage. I know it was a lot. Thank you for watching and see you next time.